Like the traditional brick making on Earth that relies on organic binders and high temperature kilns, various innovative approaches are being explored for creating lunar construction material directly from regolith. Each method presents its own advantages and challenges, and researchers around the world are actively investigating the most efficient and robust technique for creating these lunar building blocks. The goal is to develop process that requires minimal imported material that can operate autonomously within the minimum human intervention parameters. Imagine a robotic construction crew powered by sunlight autonomously creating sturdy bricks from lunar dust, laying the foundation for habitats, laboratories, and even infrastructure like roads and landing pads. This vision is no longer pure science fiction. It is a tangible goal driving cutting edge research and development. The crucial element in this feasibility of a lunar brick factory is a reliable and sustainable energy source. The moon, despite its lack of atmosphere, receives abundant solar energy for approximately 2 weeks at a time during its lunar day. The sun shines brightly, offering a virtually limitless power supply. By developing a large scale solar arrays on the lunar surface, we can harness this energy to power the entire brick making process, from heating regolith for sintering or melting to powerful robotic machinery and life support system. Solar energy offers a clean, readily available solution. Furthermore, the advancements in energy